Hello everybody, it's Rich from By Bike and Boat, and today is day 11 of our Narrowboat Diaries. Well, guys, the thing I love most about By Bike and Boat is that it's more than just a boat-based business. We are a real community. Over on Facebook, we've got nearly 17,000 people following our adventures. And what I love the most is each and every day when I put up a post, people share what they're doing with their day as well. So please do drop a comment in the comment section below to update us and let us know how your day has been as well. And yeah, welcome home to the canal. It is super beautiful here. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you get notified of future videos and diaries that we do. It was a lovely early start this morning. It's an incredible place here. An absolutely incredible place. I say this morning, but I've got a little confession to make, actually. I'm recording yesterday's diary this morning, and I'll get to the point. I'll get to the reason for that in a little while. But yeah, nice early start. Then I went off on my bicycle, as always, to fetch water, fresh water to drink, for doing washing up and all other bits and pieces on Bluebell as well. Then I hit the workshop, and in the workshop I made some earrings, a love token. I love making love tokens. It's a gift that you give to somebody you love that they stick in their pocket change, and every time they get their change out their pocket, they're just reminded that they're loved. I also did some semicolon bracelets, and this means a lot to me as a person who struggled with suicide and suicidal thoughts in the past. So it was lovely to be able to make a few of those for some of my followers yesterday as well. And then I made a bracelet as well, all made from upcycled copper and handmade in the workshop, just there on the back end of Bluebell on the stern deck. Then went for a trip into the village by bicycle, have a look around, get a few supplies. And then in the evening, we sat around the fire pit with friends. And that's why I'm recording this morning, because, you know, I had just one, honestly, one glass of old rosy cider. And at 42, I've discovered that me and cider don't have a relationship any longer. I struggled to get up this morning. Yeah, and so that was our day yesterday. Completely, you know, it was hard work in the workshop, productive day, lovely. I love that. But also just really nice time with friends. You know, the proper work hard, play hard type of a day. Which was lovely. The hatchlings also went over to Stourbridge for a home ed meetup in the park as well and made some new friends, which is beautiful. You know, that's exactly why we're here, to get to know people, to build connections, and basically to live our best life. Anyway, guys, listen, if you've enjoyed this Narrowboat Diary, go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment in the comment section below to let us know why you like these Narrowboat Diaries and how we can make them better for you in the future. Lots of love. See you tomorrow. Bye.